Using the CCLD public portal to submit vendor applications and course requests. Web-based training, WBT, video. Facility Management System, FMS. Release number 1. A quick note about what you'll see in this video. The training environment is designed for learning and practice, and this video was created while the system was still in development, so it may not look exactly like production. Demonstrations in this video were completed using superuser accounts with the highest level of permissions in order to cover end-to-end processes and a broader set of features. In production, what you see and the actions you can take depend on your specific role and permissions. You may have access to fewer tabs, buttons, fields, and actions than those shown in this video. Introduction. In this lesson, we provide a walkthrough of vendor applications. Learning objectives. By the end of this video, you will be able to submit vendor applications. Vendor applications. In this demonstration, we review the applications vendors can complete. We begin on the vendor application and approval page. You select Submit a vendor application. You are navigated to the vendor application and renewal, Form LIC 9141, instructions page. You select the Start Application button. You are navigated to the vendor application and approval page. After completing the application, you select Save and Continue. After completing the vendor application, you are navigated to the Request for Course Approval, Form LIC 9140, instructions page. After reviewing the instructions, you select Start Application. You are navigated to the Request for Course Approval page. After entering the required information, you select Save and Continue. In the additional Request for Course Approval LIC 9140, you are prompted to select Yes or No. If you select Yes, when you select Next you will begin another LIC 9140 application. If you select No, when you select Next you will be navigated to the Review page. After selecting Yes or No, you select the Next button to continue with the application. You are navigated to the Review and Download page. You can add another course by selecting Add another LIC 9140. The Actions buttons allows you to edit or remove the forms. After reviewing the forms, you select Save and Continue. You are navigated to the Review and Download page. Here you can preview and download the completed application. After reviewing the application, you select Save and Continue. You are navigated to the Make a Payment page. For your convenience, we will skip the payment process. After submitting the payment, the application is completed. You select the Finish button to return to the vendor application and approval page. This concludes submitting a vendor application. Next we review renewing a course. We begin on the Course Management page. You select the Actions button for the course you wish to renew. You select Renew Course. You are navigated to the Renewal of Continuing Education Course Approval, Form LIC 9139, instructions page. After reviewing the instructions you select Start Application. You are navigated to the Course Renewal Selection page. You select the courses you want to renew. After selecting the courses you want to renew, you select the Next button. You are navigated to the Renewal of Continuing Education Course Approval page. After entering the required information, you select the Save and Continue button. You are navigated to the Review and Download page. Here you can edit the forms. After reviewing the form, you select Save and Continue. Next you can download and preview your application. To complete the application you select Save and Continue. This completes the application. Selecting Finish returns you to the Course Management page. This concludes renewing a course. Next we review adding or replace an instructor. We begin on the Course Management page. We select the Actions button and select Add or Replace Instructor. You are navigated to the Request to Add or Replace Instructor, Form 91408, instructions page. After reviewing the instructions you select Start Request. You are navigated to the Type of Application page. You select the type of application, Add instructor or replace instructor. After selecting the type of application, you select the Next button. You are navigated to the Request to Add or Replace Instructor page. After entering the required information, you select the Save and Continue button. Next, you review the form. After reviewing the form, you select Next. Next, you can download and preview your application. After reviewing the final packet, you select Next. The application has been successfully submitted. Selecting the Finish button returns you to the course management page. This concludes adding or replacing an instructor. Lastly, we add a roster of participants. We begin on the course management page. We select the Actions button and select Add Roster of Participants. You are navigated to the Roster of Participants, Form LIC 9142A, Instructions page. Here you can download and complete the form. After uploading the form, you select Submit. The application has been successfully submitted. Selecting the Finish button returns you to the course management page. This concludes adding a roster of participants. Summary. This concludes the using the CCLD public portal to submit vendor applications and course requests. You are now able to submit vendor applications. Thank you. Web-based training, WBT, video. Facility Management System, FMS. Release 1 recorded March 2026.